Welcome back to Shake Auto, your go-to channel for the latest and most in-depth car reviews. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Tuk Tuk, a vehicle that blends utility, style, and a touch of innovation in the world of compact transports. Make sure you watch till the end for all the details and our final thoughts on whether this vehicle is the right choice for you. Let's begin with the engine options. The 2025 Tuk Tuk offers a practical yet powerful engine setup. Depending on the variant, it could come with either a small displacement inline-4 or a more robust V6 engine. Horsepower typically ranges around 90 to 150 horsepower, with torque figures landing between 120 to 180 Nm, ensuring it's suitable for both urban driving and light cargo handling. The transmission is available in both manual and automatic options, typically offering a 5-speed or a 6-speed gearbox. This provides flexibility depending on your driving style and preference. Drive type also varies across trims, with rear-wheel drive being standard and front-wheel drive available for specific models. The Tuk Tuk's compact yet functional design allows it to adapt well in tight urban environments, making it a favorite among small business owners and city drivers. On the inside, the Tuk Tuk offers seating for 4 to 6 passengers, depending on the configuration. The interior may not scream luxury, but there are options for upgraded upholstery including premium leather in higher trims. Some versions also include features like heated seats, manual air conditioning, and basic infotainment controls. The dashboard is designed with functionality in mind, keeping everything within easy reach of the driver. On the outside, the Tuk Tuk comes in a mini truck or auto rickshaw body style. It measures approximately 3.2 meters in length, with a width of 1.4 meters and a height of about 1.8 meters. Its wheelbase ensures stable performance even when fully loaded. Suspension is typically a combination of independent front and live axle rear setups, with gas shocks for better ride comfort. Steering is rack and pinion, offering direct response and ease of handling. Braking is handled by disc brakes up front and drum brakes at the rear, offering sufficient stopping power for its size. In terms of safety, standard features include dual front airbags, ABS, and in some trims, electronic stability control for added confidence during challenging driving conditions. Infotainment features are basic but functional. A standard radio system is included, and some upgraded variants may offer USB connectivity, a CD player, and even GPS navigation. Additional features like Bluetooth connectivity and cruise control are available in top trims. Other practical additions include power windows, central locking, and optional sunroof in certain editions. The Tuk Tuk also offers special editions with chrome accents, premium upholstery, and custom trim packages for those looking for a touch of luxury in a compact package. Make sure to subscribe to Shake Auto if you haven't already for more detailed reviews just like this. Stick with us till the end of every video for the best buying advice and automotive tips. Thanks for watching and we'll see you in the next review.